see what happens.
The next flavor that we're gonna do is one that I don't mind. I think it's actually pretty good. Um, this is my, I think I would say my second to go to flavor. I really like the blackberry a lot, um, but it's gonna be lime. Lime is from what I've experienced, it tastes like Sprite a little bit, um, but I think I think it's one of my next favorites. And you?
Concerning lime, I enjoy it. It's really good. Yeah, well, there's some similar notes to when I drink a Sprite. There's that lemon factor that's not quite there. But it's I enjoy it. It's good. It's definitely a go-to for me.
um, Go ahead and do the honors of opening this one.
And this one says, "Oh, hi."
Oh, hi. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice crisp sound.
Watering mouth because I already know what I'm coming to.
Very, very enjoyable, is it?
Citrusy carbonation.
One of these I could probably easily chug down if I really wanted to, but I really enjoy the flavor of this, so I take it slowly, but these are delicious. Mm. There's a really nice lime, like, front flavor to that. It's really good. Like I said, this is my second to go to. We really like that blackberry, but the lime, it's not to be, you know, you don't want to miss out on it. It's really good.
It's definitely very refreshing. So, I mean, it's, let's say, like, I'm not drinking water like I'm supposed to, or just drinking liquids in general. You're gonna be refreshed drinking that, and without the heaviness of like the syrup that you get from your typical sodas, but refreshing for sure.
Um, just a note because it's a little odd. I have the same shirt on. But we did do an individual day of this because we don't want these bubblies to go to waste. So um, there may be different clothes in between segments. We're trying to do 3 at a time. Um, so today we did do lime. And the next one that we're going to be doing is cherry. I had like doubts about liking this one. I'm not really looking forward to this. I think I've tried it once before and I did not like it too much. But that being said, let's hope that this is actually a better flavor. What do you have to say?
I actually don't mind the cherry taste. Right now I'm just having troubling remembering. It's not memorable, I guess, for me. But like I definitely took from the times that I've had it in the past that it's okay. So if it's there, I'll drink it. If not, then I have my go-tos.
Right. This one says, "Hey yo." All right, I'll pop this one open this time. It's not as crisp as the lime was. There's a very cherry front smell that comes from there. Here's to go. That's actually not bad. And there's no aftertaste, actually. It's really good. It's way better than the raspberry. That raspberry, I don't know. And
He finished up that drink. I said no.
yeah, it was terrible. I got to taste that for a while.
Just immediately, I think just cherry pops. It's definitely had that artificial cherry smell, cherry medicine, maraschino cherries. So that's definitely that smell. So it's definitely a familiar cherry smell.
Oh, excuse me.
And yeah, it's definitely cherry. It's just when you think of any cherry flavored any product that's cherry flavored, that's just that right there. And tastes a little better in the can compared to the bottle.
Yeah.
But I mean, I suppose that's my general opinion of soda in general. It just tastes better in a can to me. So
The last time I had this, it was in a bottle, and I did not like it that much. But this one actually in the can does taste a lot better. You know, it kind of reminds me of cherry Coke.
okay.
The first flavor that you get. I like this one in the can, of course, not the bottle. The bottle, for some reason, just takes away the flavor. All right. Well, for the last one for today, I guess it's gonna be mango. I don't know what to think about this one.
I've never tried this one. I anticipate it's gonna taste like mango candy, just like any excuse me of the other fruit tasting ones that we've come across, minus the raspberry, of course. But let's see how this goes.
What's it say?
I'm not too sure what that says. It says hey.
Yeah. Hey.
So double A, double Y. So I don't know if the camera got that, but
It was an attempt.
It's definitely bubbly.
That has a strong smell from over here.
That's definitely mango smelling.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really interested because it's made me think of canned peaches. But there's a distinctness that makes me go, oh yes, this is mango. So I can't wait to compare this to the peach one. So that would be very interesting as far as
oh my gosh!
profiling the two flavors.
Sorry.
But here we go. It's definitely, there's mango flavor there, but there's like a under flavor that kind of takes me back to the raspberry that doesn't quite sit so well. But it's better than the raspberry.
All right. Well,
but not a total disappointment.
Here's what I'm going to try. It's not bad. It is very mango forward. There is no like ending flavor for me. It was the beginning was like the sweetness of the mango, and then it ended on the citrusy note through the nose for me. This one's not bad. Still not one that I would prefer, honestly. Okay, good enough.